I'm so scared at that. Wow. Trying to warm up my water. So much snow. We made it! We're in Salt Lake City. We're gonna go meet Jake and Lindsay now and check into our hotel. I'm so tired. Woo. All right, let's go. Hi. Made it to our room. I'm trying on Lindsay's helmet. I'm ready to ski. Hi everyone! Yeah, mix that. Ooh, look at that smoke. Chef Lindsay. Just finished dinner at Copper Onion and it was so good. Now we're heading home. It's like 7:30 and we just want to go to sleep. We're so tired. Back to the hotel.
You have to like put him in like the right corner like that. Oh, you know what I mean? Like interview style.
Can you introduce yourselves for the camera, for the audience, please?
Jake Delman, 31, single, and I work in the Foreign Service.
How do you know Felisa?
Oh, we went to the same school for undergrad because I met this other girl, Lindsay, and you know, Lindsay and Felisa had gone way back because they did CI together and they knew each other through GW, but Felisa and I became friends after we graduated, after Lindsay kind of like brought us together in a friend group.
Well said, well said. Good job, Jake.
Oh, thank you.
Good job, Jake.
Yeah, good job. Good morning, it's day 2. We are checking out the hotel and heading to Park City. So I'm all dressed up, got my boots, helmet, and off we go. We're ready.
Day 1.
All geared up. We just finished lunch and Lindsay and Victoria went to the lookout cabins. I'll show you their time there. But I just ate a $22 burger. It was $22. And I'm just resting, drinking some water, gonna use the bathroom, and then head out to a green ride. My first one by myself. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna do it because tickets are so expensive and I'm gonna maximize my day here. All right. Ski lift by myself, going to a green one by myself. I'm so scared. All right, I'm gonna go put my phone away. Bye. I'm going up again by myself, and this time I'm gonna go down by myself, the same route, just so I can improve. I think there's just so much adrenaline, and I'm pretty tired, so I think this will be my last run. Okay, we're heading out. It's so snowy and there's so much to do here. I'm carrying my skis. and looking for Jake. He's somewhere, so let's go. Hey, we finished skiing and we are just waiting for Victoria and Lindsay to come. They went to the other side to Canyon Village and we are waiting at the Marriott, and there's fire pit and hot tub. The today was so fun. I did the green one twice and I'm so proud of myself. And I went kind of fast down, or fast for me, so I'm really happy. And I am so tired. I'm going to do a lot of stretching and then I'm going to decide tonight whether or not to ski again tomorrow and on Monday. So I just need to rest. But let's check out the hot tub and everything. I'm trying to warm up my water. Oh, there's a lot of people at the tub, but look at that. Wow. And inside, this is really nice area. And there's Jakey Boo. There's so much snow! So we're walking around town because we're not skiing today. There was way too much snow from the storm. We delayed opening the resort for skiing, so we didn't get any tickets for today. So we're just wandering around town and then I'll play ski after. This is the main strip, the Park City Main Street. Super cute. We're on the bus and we're heading to Deer Valley now for après-ski. It's so cold. The hot chocolate's really good. This is the lodge, it's at the end. Hi. Here's a little beginner area that I'm gonna go next. We're leaving. That's our last day. Yep. You have fun, Jake?
Yeah,
Lots
Yeah.
of fun.
Don't you just love Utah? Don't you want to move here?
Not quite, but
Why
Park,
not?
Park City definitely have a soft spot for Park City.
Then we're leaving Deer Valley and we're gonna go pick up Lindsay, head back to Salt Lake City, and then New York. Time to go home.
Keep on moving on.